And the mercy seat is a-smoking, and I think my head is melting. In a way, I'm helping to be done with all this a-twisting of the truth. A lie for a lie and a tooth for a tooth. And anyway, I got nothing left to lose, and I'm not afraid to die melting. And I think my blood is boiling. In a way, I'm spoiling all the fun with all this truth and consequence. And I'm not afraid to die.